Hello everybody and welcome. Today we are about to be discussing how to add a Shopify contact form with file upload option. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. If you want to create a custom contact form page, you can do that from your online store section from your sales channel, but I suggest you to use an integration for contact form and search that in your app store. You will be getting a lot of templates so you can get a head start, and you can see we have powerful contact form builder. It is going to be providing you a lot of handy features, so you can see you can incorporate all of these options. And yeah, so make sure to choose and try these. You can see we have drop file option as well, the one that we are basically focused in today's video. So I hope this helps. Make sure to give it a try and hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.